Welcome to Canvas Window. I'm Elaiyaraja, the man behind this channel. I'm proud to say Canvas Window is the one and only channel in India continuously uploading video tutorials for design aspirants. We started this channel 3 years before to teach design aspirants all over India. Before a month, we reached 25,000 subscribers. Thanks to all subscribers, aspirants, students, and parents. Thank you. Now, we got the special features from YouTube, that is channel membership. Let me explain what is channel membership is. Channel membership is supporting my channel by paying a small amount of money every month. For the paid members, I will be offering very special important video tutorials on design entrance examination. As of now, we have two categories. One is gold membership, another is silver membership. For gold membership, I will be offering 8 very important video tutorials related to design entrance examination. It may be learning video tutorials, or else a real-time video tutorials, and some of the world question and answers will be offered every month. Okay, and then the second is silver membership category. Who were joining to this silver membership category will be getting 4 very important question and answers, world drawing question and answers previously asked in design entrance examination will be created, and they'll be getting access to that. Okay, don't worry about free members. Like they will be getting as usual, whatever we are creating as usual. We have posted many videos so far. We have 350 videos posted, and access to that video the free members will be getting. Again, we will be posting some more videos to free members. Don't worry about it. Okay, so creating learning video tutorials for design aspirants are very much time consuming and cost effective. I'm happy to create many more videos to help poor students all over India. So there are many design aspirants, they are struggling without any reference tutorials. So I am interested to create much more video tutorials for them, and I'm happy that to help them. We are getting phone calls, emails, WhatsApp messages from design aspirants all over India, that they saying these tutorials was very much helpful to preparing for their design entrance examination, and they were very much benefited. I'm happy to get the messages and calls from them. So to support them continuously, I'm here to develop and create many more videos. So I'd like to request you to support me and support my channel continuously by joining my memberships to develop more and more. Thank you for this opportunity, and I'm sure I'll be creating very helpful videos in future. So please join my memberships. Thank you.